There's something magical about an afternoon walk on a forested hill. The way the sunlight filters through the leaves, painting golden patterns on the ground. The gentle rustling of the wind as it dances through the trees, and the quiet symphony of the birds and crickets filling in the air with their songs. With every step, the world slows down. The stress of the day fades, replaced by the simple joy of being present, of breathing in the crisp, earthy scent of the forest and feeling the soft crunch of the leaves beneath our feet. Walking side by side him, there's a comforting silence between us. No rush, no distractions, just us and nature, wrapped in the serenity of this place. Every glance, every smile exchanged speaks more than words ever could. In this moment, love feels effortless, peaceful, like the steady rhythm of the footsteps on the trail. The path winds upwards, revealing breathtaking views of the landscape below. We pause, taking it all in hand, hearts full. There's something about nature that reminds us of life's simplest yet most profound joys. Connection, peace, and gratitude for moments like these.